My name is David. I work for Promasidor Nigeria Ltd. We are a FMCG company. We do food processing and packaging. Promasidor Nigeria Ltd is a food processing company, and also we are into food packaging. We have an employee of approximately number around 1,200 to 1,500. The business is not a public liability company. It's a business that is solely owned by the family group called Promasidor. Types of generator we have, basically we have 6 cat engine, we have 3 3520 series, we have 1 3512 DGB, and we have 3516 and C32, which are basically diesel engines. The first Caterpillar engine was installed in year 2012, and that is about 10 years ago. Promasidor is a food processing company. Promasidor is a company that is highly interested in meeting the nutrient-based food being produced locally, and it's a company that plays at the lowest level of the food chain. Promasidor is a company that meets the food demands of masses in Nigeria today. The challenges encountered during the project executions, we have diverse. One of them is skilled labor. We need high technical skill personalities to run the equipment, and also we also have power supply challenges to sustain the business. Without a constant, reliable power supply, no business can run successfully. During the course of the project execution, we have a product link that was deployed. The essence of the product is to give real-time engine conditions to the power plant team. It has really helped the power plant team for faults and also to capture when maintenance is due on the genset. One of the factors that made us to work with Mantrac was power instability. I've said during the course of this interview, we're fully on national grid and we have frequent power outage. Each time we have power outage in this facility, we lost a lot of production, which is amount to a lot of money. So since we have been working with Mantrac, the power stability has improved, the power reliability has improved, the production level has increased also, which helps the business to grow. The customer service experience with Mantrac team has been a wonderful one in terms of response to issue. We have a CSA agreement with Mantrac, which has really helped our business relationship. The response to our issue within 24 hours, which has really helped. Before the project execution, we have a challenge with high cost of fuel, using diesel generator as a backup for the gas engine. Why do we need diesel generator? Sometimes we have gas outage from gas supplier, and we need to support the operation with diesel generator.
I was able to convince the customer to buy the DGB kit by selling the benefits of the DGB kit installed, so that the set can also run at 70% gas and 30% diesel.
What does it mean? A gen that consumes 180 liters per hour, with DGB implementation, it reduces the fuel consumption to 60 liters per hour, which has improved the cost of kilowatt hour of our power generation when we talk about DGB.
The solution has strengthened my relationship with the customer, in the sense that the customer now sees the advantage he has in terms of cost reduction on installing the CAT DGB on his genset.
So we have 3512 series model of CAT engine, which is our DGB engine. It was retrofitted to DGB. We have 2 other engines, CAT engine, that are not retrofitted. Due to the benefit we have gained so far on DGB in terms of fuel consumption reduction, we are planning to retrofit the 2 model of CAT engine we have, 3516 and C32, in order to reduce the fuel consumption and improve the cost of kilowatt hour on the genset. After the project execution, the solution we got from Mantrac was 1 full year warranty. During the course of the year of warranty, the issue arises were promptly attended to and rectified. Parts that were failed were also promptly replaced during the course of 1 year warranty. As long as Promasidor remain in business, we need Mantrac support to keep us in business. Mantrac has given us an access to parts.com online, where we can order parts. We can also check parts configuration before we order if it is compatible with our genset. The impact of the genset failure to the operation, it leads to operation downtime, which cost us approximately about 40 million per hour.
My goals while working with this customer is to reduce their total owning and operating costs. This is done by getting close to them, knowing their needs, knowing their expectation, and getting the right solution to meet these needs.
As I said earlier, DGB genset has really reduced our fuel consumption by 70–30%. We gave it a trial and we have never regretted it. That's really met up with our desire.